Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an ultra avocado sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of bread, 1 ripe avocado, and 1 serving of smoked filet. Don't forget 1 serving of fresh cress, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring your sandwich is absolutely delicious. Now, let's start building our delicious sandwich. Begin by placing your 2 slices of bread on a clean surface. Next, carefully slice your avocado in half, remove the large pit, and scoop out all the creamy green flesh. Gently mash the avocado with a fork and spread it generously across one of your bread slices, creating a vibrant and healthy base. With your avocado base ready, it's time to add the main fillings. Carefully place the smoked filet directly on top of the mashed avocado. Then, evenly distribute the fresh cress over the filet, adding a lovely crisp texture. Finally, sprinkle 1 serving of salt and 1 serving of pepper over the cress to enhance all the wonderful flavors. This combination creates a truly satisfying bite. To finish your ultra avocado sandwich, simply place the second slice of bread on top, gently pressing down to secure all the delicious layers. This amazing sandwich isn't just tasty, it also offers fantastic in-game benefits. It provides a level 2 boost to encounter power for dragon and ground type Pokémon, and a level 1 boost to shiny power for the same types. Enjoy your culinary creation and its powerful effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.